So we are here. We're gonna get some yuca. Dale, Tofito. Vamos a ver si sale yuca. Let's see if we get some yuca. Well, not a lot, but some. Damn, there's a big one. A big yuca right here. Everybody let me know if you have ever tried yuca before.
Preséntalo por ahí. O póngamela y él va a llegar sorpresa.
This is yuca. We're gonna eat some yuca with eggs, salami. You know what I mean? So we gotta try that. You gotta try it if you haven't. Yuca, yuca, yuca. You eat that, you're gonna get strong for sure. And I am gonna bring it. Dime. Sí, lo saqué, ahí está. Míralo ahí. So I'm gonna bring this to the goat because they eat those. You're gonna see the goat eating right now as well. Look at my little puppy right here. Look. Stop, Bernie. Stop. We're bringing some food to the goat as well. They gotta eat. Look, they're happy because they see food. And I mean, they're eating a lot. So I know you might be asking why they have this on their neck, right? So at least here in the Dominican Republic, I know why they have it, and I'm going to explain this to you right now. So I know in the United States of America, so the fence is different, you know, the fence panels and everything. So this is how our fence is structured over here. So the thing on their neck, they have it on because it will stop them from getting into other people's places. You see, their head can get inside of this, and they would, like, without, you know, what they have in their head called garabato in Spanish, they would be able to force this and get inside. You know what I mean? I know we might be against it. I mean, I'm against it. I don't like to see the animals like that. But unfortunately, you know, like it's normal over here. At least in the Dominican Republic. So that's why you will always see this. So over here, it's 6 p.m. right now. And I still got all of my chickens out. And I am about to get them in right now. Because it's already 6. So I have to get them in. And, you know, so I can take care of myself now. Look, this is so much chickens over here. A lot of them are in. You could probably see them from here. I have a lot of them inside, but still got some of them out, so I have to get them in right now. Somebody gotta come help me. Look at everything I gotta do in order for me to deal with the chickens. So you gotta be ready. If you want to deal with animals, you gotta be ready for it. I'm right here jumping the fencing. Look. Do you want to get in or not? Come on, vámonos. Vámonos. I have to talk to them in Spanish. Now look, also, I'm against this right here, right? The trash. But it's, you know, like, it's normal, you know, like people, like, when they're not, like, you know, educated, they just throw the trash, you know, anywhere. I'm really against that. So, you know, I have to start somewhere. I have to start cleaning myself, you know. Look. Vámonos para su casa. Vámonos. Let's go home. You see, they already know their house, so they're going to their house right now. They're going home. You already know. Oh, are you gonna act stupid? You're gonna make me look stupid right now. Because I'm telling my people here that you know you're home and you're acting like you don't know. Let's go home. Let's go. See? They're going home right now. Getting inside their house right now. They know. Okay, so finally I got all of my chickens in right now. So I have to deal with this every day. And around 5 or 6 p.m. I gotta deal with this. But I love it though, you know? I love it. See, it ain't nothing about complaining. See, they got in, so they are eating right now. Well, some of them, because they aren't really hungry because they have food all day out. My chickens. So as of right now, I gotta go clean the water. I have to clean the water right now. I mean, everything, and make sure they have clean water. So all I gotta do, you know, wash this and make sure, you know, the water is clean, because they have to be healthy, just like human, you know, just like us. We have to be healthy. All right. Well, my people, this is pretty much it. You know, so I'm trying not to, you know, I'm just starting with this with my YouTube channel and everything else. So I hope I can get everybody's support on all my social media. So, like I said, I'm just starting with this, and I'm trying not to edit my videos because I don't want none of my thing looks fake. Okay. I want everything to be so authentic, so you guys can enjoy it. So I really thank y'all for watching this video and seeing what I'm doing here in the countryside. Well, one thing I gotta show you before I go. Let me show you how the mountain looks like, and also, you know, like everything around. I'm gonna show you right now before I go. All right, team. So today afternoon, I gotta show you what it looks like over here. You can hear the silence over here. You can hear you know, like, oh my God, it's so peaceful. The birds, everything. I gotta go up there. I'm gonna show you some cows as well. Okay, just at everything. Tell me you don't like this, and if you tell me you don't, I'm gonna just say you're lying. Okay, because I can't believe you don't like something like this. And look at some cows over there. Tell me you wouldn't like this experience. And even if you say you wouldn't like it, I'll still say you're lying, okay? Because I can't believe you're gonna like something like this. Look at this. It's so beautiful. I love it. Okay? So this is me, John. I'm a country boy right here. You know, living the country boy lifestyle. I love this, to be honest. I don't regret. So I hope everybody's having a blessed day. And, well, I hope y'all have a great night. And I hope, you know, like, you guys enjoy this video. And God bless. Make peace and be still. Okay? Love y'all so much. Y'all be safe.